Alright, about to soon enter the holiday weekend. We're almost down to 1 week to go of 2023. December 22nd, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 12:45, coming to you from Ladysmith on the Canadian National Superior Sub-Main on a very foggy afternoon. As you can see that the visibility is down to around 1/4 of a mile or less. Feeling a Rule X may be out for this along the line where areas are not as dense. As you can see off to the left there, that's the Western Star high road truck that has the grapple on there, because I remembered there was one like this, but it is not the chassis that you see there, cabin chassis that is. The one I've seen was the one with the International Workstar chassis. We'll soon have a northbound on the way, and we'll have the roll-by of the Rattler M347 91 of the 21st on the way, with a new C6M rebuild to lead it from the second batch that is on their solo. And along with will be the Tier 4 Credit of ES44AC 2983 that had a good washdown since the last time I've seen the 2983. So that will run as DPU on the Rattler. The 3343 might sport Nathan P3s on that. Don't know for sure. We'll find out soon enough. While I'm waiting for that to show up, had the roll-by of the S77251 of the 13th show up with an ES44 to lead it or two. Take her on inbound to Weyerhaeuser, maybe Poskin. It's probably still out there, as the 519 crew must be doing the work on that, while giving that ST60 of the 5448 a break this time by. I also missed out on the new 3286 again, unfortunately. That one led on the M342 41 of the 21st, as that one led solo, while the 2826 is DPU on that. Should be ready to roll southbound on the Nina Sub-Main. That was my next one that I was supposed to get, because I know I still have two of them to go, which is that one and the new 3294, which I've yet to get. So anyway, enough of the chatter. Let's await on the arrival of the Rattler, the new 3343 to lead it. Alright, 1332. This should be the Rattler M347 91 of the 21st that has just showed up to Ladysmith now. The new C6M rebuild of the 3343 to lead it. Let's check them out. And she's coming around down there. So Your Nathan P5s for this one. Distinctive, actually. Sure enough, it is the Rattler M347. Hang on to your hats. So it has the new, really washed down 2983 SDPU. Nice BCOL. Scrap trash gone in there. Haha. The 2983. Here's the last of the Rattler. UCRY 28561. That will do it for the Rattler M347 91 of the 21st. And we'll do it for that new C6M rebuild of the 3343 from the second batch, along with the recently washed down Tier 4 Credit ES44AC 2983. How about that? We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith on this very foggy day. So you can see that the visibility is down to almost around 1/8 of a mile. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great afternoon. I will see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.